In the global cannabis industry, Jamaica is the dark horse waiting to step into the spotlight. Just like our coffee and our rum, there's a certain mystique around our cannabis culture that can be translated to income, jobs, and industry development. One sector that can provide this opportunity is nutraceuticals. Nutraceuticals refer to cannabis byproducts such as skin creams, oils, tinctures, and capsules that support overall well-being. This is possible thanks to the endocannabinoid system, a physiological network in all mammals that allows the body to interact with the medicines of the plant. Yes, we are literally designed to consume cannabis. The nutraceutical sector is also a path to normalizing cannabis, as it allows the plant to be safely integrated in different areas of our lives, just as any other herb. Nutraceuticals can potentially create two economic avenues for Jamaica: wellness tourism and the export market. Wellness tourism feels like an obvious opportunity when you consider it is a fast-growing sector valued at over $800 billion. We already have a strong tourism product with excellent marketing communications. Our tropical environment is sought after by wellness seekers, and our culture is one of our best assets. With the right policy framework in place, we could create cannabis-inspired experiences that caters to the mental, physical, and spiritual needs of visitors. This could range from CBD oil spa treatments to wellness retreats offering holistic healing with cannabis products. The big idea is that we work with our natural resources. A product like this is something no other country can offer the way Jamaica can. The export market is another potential growth opportunity through the nutraceutical sector, thanks to the global fascination with Jamaican cannabis. And we have all the pieces to develop a strong and reputable sector. We have the academic researchers, the scientists, the manufacturing capability, and enough cultivators to supply all the raw material. Since 2018, Jamaica has made more than 200 exports of cannabis flower and oil to 10 countries. Each year, more countries are legalizing cannabis, as well as facilitating fair trade. Once we can create products at the requisite standards, the export market represents a thriving opportunity. In my third and final video, I'll share some recommendations that can build the foundation to attain these goals.